Okay, kids, so I got a little cheap chainsaw vise I made up. You got an old bar. You don't have to use a bar. I mean, you can use a piece of metal fabricated, but I had an old crapped out bar that I used. Basically just bolts on there. And we got a tube welded. I don't know, it needs to be kind of on the other side where the light is. We got that welded there into another tube. And then there's a handle here. I don't know if you can see it with the light. You loosen this up, you can swing it around. And then we got a Harbor Freight ball vise. I think you can pick these up for under 20 bucks. So that, the tube, the handle, the welding, the bar. I mean, if you got the stuff laying around, you can make one of these relatively cheap. Now, that's 044 on there, which probably weighs, I don't know, about 14, 15 pounds, and it's holding it. Just loosen that up. You can swing it around to wherever you desire. Come here and tighten the handle. Or if you want to lift it up, you can, this tube slides in here. You can pick this up if you want higher, but this is pretty good right here. I don't have the articulation this way, where you could swing it 90 degrees, but for, I don't know, you could probably make this for under 50 bucks. Like I said, this part right here is the main component. I think I paid, I don't know, $16.99 for this. Right now, to tighten it up, I got a pipe wrench, and I'm going to make a little spanner wrench on there. You just tighten this up, and this thing is all steel. I mean, it's supposed to work with a vacuum, but I just ended up just screwing it into the wood. But that's basically it, kids. And now you can work on your saw in whatever way. I'll have to come up with something so I can articulate this whole thing and then turn it this way. So if you want to work on your, the side of your saw, have your saw this way. We're working on that, but that's, the more features you want, the more it's going to cost. But that's basically it. A little redneck engineering that'll do the job. It ain't going to cost you a hell of a lot of money. Now, I wouldn't go putting a 880 on here or a big heavy McCulloch. I think about 16 pounds, 17 pounds is about the max for this thing. I wouldn't go cuckoo with it. But you can always take this idea and get some more robust components, but you should be able to build something that you want for, relatively cheap. Okay, kids, have a good one.